Yeah, what up? So me, I'm just fucking spill coffee on my table, bro. Real quick.
Boy 50.
Camera. 30s. My bad, bro. I just fucking spilled coffee on my desk. I got it. What up, Farzel? Hey, what up? What up, what up, what up, what up? Alright, bro. Fuck this down. This is time for just in time for CPI, man. Chat was good morning, chat. What's up? What's up? What's up, man? Brand new day, chat. Today is what day is it today? Wednesday? Or is it? No, I'm tripping. Today's Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Yesterday we had drawdown. But yeah, chat. Brand new day. Actually, yes is a good day, bro. Yes is a fucking W day, bro. But chat, it's today is a big day, man. You got CPI today, right? Is it CPI? Yeah. Core CPI 830. You guys know what that means. We will not be having buy stops and sell stops, but we might have buy stops and sell stops after news there. So let's see what's going on. All right, chat. But it's a pretty big day. All right. So for some people, the casino opens. For some people, I like to wait till after news here. That's what we're gonna do today. So let me just send my Zoom link and then my Twitter, and then we'll get started, yo. How you guys doing though? Everyone's good? Everyone forgot about yesterday already? Let's go with live CPI trading. Yes, that was crazy. I know. Plot twist, right? Crazy. Crazy, bro. How's that thing go again? Oh yeah, he can't keep getting away with this. Yes, it was mad funny, bro. Yo, some of you guys be switching up like crazy, bro. You guys switch up fast. Fast, bro. And you guys switch back fast too. Holy shit. Yes, sir. Exactly, Max. You're on the ball, bro. Money changes people? For real, bro. Money be changing people like crazy, man. Crazy. Not me, though. Never fold. All right. We got some time here. We got some time here. Bro, I'm so shadow banned, man. Still, chat. I wonder how long it's gonna last this time. I think the longest shadow ban I've had was like maybe 2 weeks. It's been like roughly 2 weeks, so let's see, man. Hopefully it goes away soon. Our reviews right now are organic. No algorithm help, nothing. No suggestions, just straight up subscribers, which is pretty good. But obviously, right, shadow ban sucks. What can I do, man? What can I do? All right. I think we're good here, chat. I think we're good to start the analysis off today. Got here. Wade, yo, you're up early, bro. Yo, Wade, you got some work to do today, bro. You got some crazy work to do. Bro, you thought yesterday you can get 2 million and then you thought life was sweet after that? We were playing no heads yesterday after the stream, and then chat, you guys will never guess my my new no heads score. A man like Wade said he beat my record, right, which is 1.6 mil, and then he beat it. He got like 2.4. I'm like, you know what, bro? Let me hop on. Chat, you guys will never guess my score. I'll show you guys after what my score. It's crazy though. Anyway, chat. Okay, so CPI here, lock it in. You have CPI in about 22 minutes here, which means that we have 22 minutes to do this analysis, right? Which is a lot of time. I think what's important to understand when it comes to just like trading CPI overall is like, you have to understand that sometimes you might not have direction right at the full day opening. So like, let's say 8:30 comes out, right? Or 8:30 news comes out. Sometimes that might be a whipsaw. I think NFP Friday was a whipsaw. All right. So I do think today that the direction late day, not early day, late day, which is like post 10 or post 9:45, 10 should be the direction for the day. I don't think the CPI move will be the direction for a day. Like you might have a push, volume open up at 8:30 from CPI. It might push you one way, but then 9:45 things may start to shift. All right, so like don't feel like stressed out or like anxious if like you're not part of the CPI folder today. If you can't catch anything in that push, because 10 a.m. you should be able to have some good solid direction, and you don't have to like buy stuff, sell stuff on news. All right, so like don't stress today, chat. It should be a pretty chill day if as long as you follow that. Okay, but yeah, 8:30, and then tomorrow you have a core PPI, which is in their folder. But I think today's late session should lead you to tomorrow's direction anyways. So let's see what's going on today. I mean, I kind of know what's going on today. I took trades this morning at like what time did I take trades at? 4 a.m. I've been up since then, but it looks pretty shit. Not gonna lie to you, chat. It looks pretty shit. Like I don't think we're gonna like do anything crazy until 8:30, 10. Just looking at price action alone, I think today though is more so of a liquidity day, leading on to like late session direction day. So like the day starts off trying to grab liquidity, which we don't know where that's gonna be yet, and then the day ends off falling direction, and then I hope that direction continues on tomorrow as well, so that tomorrow can be a pretty breeze as well. But yeah, man, that's what I'm speculating today on gold. So starting off with the monthly here, chat, you have like 20 days and 9 hours into the monthly, which is quite a bit of time. It's pretty solid. I think the only thing about the monthly is the no bottom wick scenario, right? There's still no bottom wick on the monthly, and I would assume price would end up making one this month before making its way up towards all-time highs if that's where it wants to go, due to the fact that it pushed up first this month. So we can kind of see like basically the whole month it's been pushing up, right? You didn't come down for a bottom wick yet. The month started down here, barely a bottom wick. This is more so of a bottom wick that you want to see. But if you are coming up first for the month, as you come down for a bottom wick, if it were to even come down, it won't be the same bottom wick anymore. It's going to be a little different due to the fact that you're coming up right now, right? So like if they cannot, just imagine the candle flipping bearish, like how is it going to look if it flips bearish? I mean, it's going to look like this if it flips bearish, which means that, is that really going to be liquidity, a bottom wick for us to drive up? Or is that just going to be a bearish candle that likely will close bearish for the monthly? I believe that it's like, if you were to come down, it's like going to be a bearish candle closure because, I mean, 10 days in, 20 days left to go. What are the chances you come down and then come back up to re-break the highs? Very unlikely. All right. So like, again, I'm bullish this month. I was originally speculating that we are going to continue up towards like the all-time highs, or at least 24.40 after coming down for a bottom wick, but that hasn't been done yet. And I do believe that no matter what happens, either if you push up or push down on the monthly, you got to come down for a bottom wick first. Yeah, that's the monthly on gold here. The weekly here, if you look at it, same thing as yesterday. I don't think anything is different about this, but I do think that you've closed respecting this range here, which means that you haven't closed above yet. On top of that, you closed last week with no top wick, which indicates that you have no range. So for those who don't know, when you have a wick, you have range, right? A wick is what makes a range. A range is what makes a wick, depending on the time frame you're looking at it from, right? So in this case, the weekly has no top wick, which means that you have no range on a small time frame. The daily for no range, right? Which indicates that there's a much lower probability of you driving up, right? Compared to like if you were to have a candle that has a wick, you have range going up, cool. If you have no wick, like in this scenario, it means that you're just closing at resistance, right? On top of that, you're closing at resistance on the weekly as well. So like the chances of you flipping bullish and driving up and staying up for the weekly is very low. I could imagine that you could push up, like I said, chat, today. I don't think the move at 8:30 will be the directional move, which means that if the week's gonna flip bullish, it has to be today. And if it flips bullish, like I said, no top wick, and on top of that, close at resistance, what are the chances that it closes bearish or closes bullish above for next week? A lot lower than if it were to have a top wick like this. If it were to have a top wick in this week's candle, yeah, no doubt about it, bro. Continue up, all-time highs, great, amazing, right? But with us closing at resistance, no top wick, I could imagine that today you come up for a top wick, but then after the weekly comes up, how is it going to close? I would anticipate that it's going to close bearish for the weekly. If anything, more so weak bearish like this. So things have to like kind of make a lot more sense now, right? It's the second last day of the week. You have CPI today. You're not going to have direction today until 10 a.m. I do believe CPI will be more so of potential liquidity. In this case, if the weekly shows you that's going to flip bullish and you still have no top wick, can you create a top wick right now during the session before 10? If that's the case, then you're looking for buys up to create that top wick, right? Look left. I mean, yeah, range going up. Don't get me wrong. Here to the flip alone on the what do you call this? The weekly flip is like what? This is like 100 pips, right? Which is not bad. You have some decent range, and obviously, like once it flips, it's not just gonna stay like come up flip and then flip bearish. Like you'll likely get some type of top wick. But like maybe like you're looking at the next minor resistance here, which is like maybe you're looking at probably, let's see here, I'll say like minor resistance like 24.08, I'll say. So like the weekly flip is like right there, right? And like if you were to flip, you're gonna like tap 24.08. So like you have range going up here, chat. It's just about how are we gonna analyze the small time frame to get the buys up now, right? Because the higher time frame paints the picture already. We know that we're bullish for the day or for the first half of the day today, but like how are we gonna get buys going up is a question. That's what we're gonna figure out. All right. And for those who are looking for sells, again, bro, I'm bearish as well today, man. I just don't think that we're going to be bearish off the bat today. Sometimes, even though you have a bias and you have an idea on price and where it wants to go, you have to understand the steps that takes price towards those areas, right? In this case, you need liquidity first before going down. So that's why we're more so bullish first half day, second half day bearish, post 10. But let's take a look at what's going on here, chat. Drop it down to daily. The daily candle, remember how I said yesterday you didn't close above the range? Well, today you actually closed a little better. I think yesterday you had like this right here. I forgot what I had exactly, but was it this? I think it was this actually. No, I think I lie. I take that back. I think you're still close and respecting it. I don't think you closed above yet. Because yesterday that was an issue that we had. We're like, okay, well, the daily candle here has been closing. This one closed bullish on I think Tuesday, right? Respecting this resistance, never closed above. Yesterday's candle came up, closed respecting, never closed above. Today's candle currently pushing up. Oh, wow, look at that, chat. That's crazy, huh? I don't know if that clicked for you guys just now, but that's crazy. Isn't that crazy? The weekly candle, like I said earlier, you need to flip. Daily candle, close respecting resistance. If the daily candle closes respecting resistance, and currently you're pushing up because you have a wick fill from yesterday's candle, what are the chances that the daily candle flips bearish after filling the wick? Very high. Very high. So like, you see how like this level is being respected here, right? So like, yeah, you can pop up right now for sure. You can definitely pop up. But like, what happens once you pop up and fill the range? What happens once you tap that 1408 mark or 2408 mark? Or you break the current weekly highs? What happens then? Is it going to flip bearish? There's a high chance. And if there's a late direction today, chat, if there's late direction today, which means that the late direction is post 10, this is like going to be the first half of the day today, right? A pop up towards 2400. I'll say a safe target would be like the flip, the weekly flip. So like 2390, right? After 2390, what happens then? If the second half of the day post 10 comes down, then the weekly or daily will then flip bearish again because it's still respecting that daily resistance on top of that. So that's what I have going on today, chat. That would be my idea as of 8:18 a.m. Eastern. That might change, or that likely could change after 10, depending on how price reacts to numbers at like 8:30, because that will affect the way that price moves post 8, which means that might affect the way that price moves post 10 today for the late day direction, right? But looking at everything else so far, like looking at the 4, the 1, like for the most part, it's showing you that we still have range going up here. I wouldn't say that you're completely bullish just yet. Again, just because that monthly no bottom wick, but like today until the next very range, you do have buys up. Like you're looking at 2392 here. For the most part today, chat. So you're looking at I like this resistance here, right? This is your next target for the buys. So that would be the idea that we have today, and that's where we're gonna look for buys till. Now we have news, right? So we're not gonna be trading news exactly at 8:30. We're not gonna have buys and sell stops, but 8:31 post news, once numbers comes out, once you have that volume, what can we do? Well, you guys know the drill. What happens post news, chat? What do we usually take? The rebreak of the highs or rebreak of lows, because whatever direction price drives into after rebreaking the highs or lows would be the direction that you have until the 9 a.m. candle, right? So 8:30 comes out. Look at that. You have range till 2392. So we know where our target is for the buys if you were to go up today. So like if news comes out, first thing price does is pop down. I mean, we know what to do. We're gonna have a buy stop on the rebreak of the highs. Or number 2, what we could also do, which could happen, but it's gonna be a little tougher because the range gets smaller. But if price pops up here, pulls back, right? Let's say price pops like this during news, pulls back, so it comes up towards here, pulls back, it leaves a wick. We'll have a buy stop on the rebreak of the highs, because look on the left, you have clean traffic to the weekly flip, which is gonna be right here at that gray area. So like that would be the idea today, chat. It's like we spent the higher time instead of looking for the target, looking for how price is gonna get there. We spent the higher time from looking at the overall story that price is trying to tell you for the weekly and the monthly. So we're now just putting it all together. The next step of the story, the next chapter will be targets tap in 2392. And if you have news coming up here, we're now taking advantage of that volume to take price up towards that level to match the weekly and the monthly analysis. All right. So like that is like the play today, chat. It's just about how price prints post news at this point. All right, if you're coming out for a bond wick first, that'll be a lot better. You have more range going up here. I think above these highs, you have like a 7-pip range. But it all depends on how the price reacts to the numbers when it comes out. What else can I say? I think that's about it for the most part. Yeah, what, 9 minutes to news? Let me just mark up my charts here. I forgot all about that. I just been yapping. But you can probably mark this up as a minor resistance here, 23.87. You can probably mark this up as like a, what is this? Yeah, I guess you can put that as most recent support. It doesn't matter what levels you mark up here really, because like overall you're just in the range. You're not looking for buys above here, sells below here anyways. It's more so of like just minor levels that we could look for buys till, or when to take profit, right? That's what these levels are here for. The idea is that no matter what happens, so you gotta come up towards 23.87, right? So like we can look for buys in this range. I would, to be honest, if there wasn't for news, but there is news. So obviously I can't take buys now. But yeah, chat, this is the range we're in right now. So like, let's say like 8:30 here. What we could do is 8:30 here closes bearish, doji, or weak bearish or weak bullish. Doesn't matter. As long as it closes in this range here, you're fine. Because if this is the zone that you're respecting here, if price comes down first at 8:30 like this, we can have a buy stop here instead of to break the highs, which means that you have a much better advantage point, which means that if this is your minor resistance here, you can look for buys till that area as an advantage point, and then still have your TP up at 23.87, right? So what that means is this: if price comes out, boom, boom, pops down first, 8:30, amazing, buy stops on the flip, price flips bullish, that candle looks like this now, and you'll likely drive up towards top of the range, towards 23.84, and then break even all of that risk-free. All right, chat. That's what I got going on today for gold here. Pretty like straightforward day, I'll say. All right, man. I got clear trades taken, bro. I seen that. I made a mistake yesterday on the gold buys, but yeah, y'all don't know what Gilks is? Y'all know what that pair, that is? We'll be trading that pair. You love Gilks? Me too, bro. My favorite pair. Oh, sorry. I mentioned the buy ideas. I didn't mention the sell ideas. I do have sell ideas today too. Again, I am bearish today, chat. Like, keep that in mind, bro. I'm bearish today, okay? Like, I'm strongly bearish today. But before being bearish, you gotta be bullish here. But for the sells, like I think late 10 a.m. or sorry, late 9:45 to 10. If anything, you'll see a shift in direction. I don't think you'll get a shift in direction just yet. If you do for some reason, and if I'm completely wrong about that, that's cool. We can look for sells below like 23.78, but you need a top wick. Tap in 23.87 first. So my idea today for sells is the only way I can grab sells is if you close below 23.78 after tapping 23.87. If you don't come up to tap the 87 mark, or sorry, not 87, what am I saying? 23.92, the weekly flip, right? So that's the only way I can grab sells. If you come up towards 23.92, if you come up towards there and then you flip bearish today, I mean, that'll be my sells below here. But I believe this will be late day, if anything. I don't think it's gonna be like 8 a.m. I think 8 a.m. is gonna push up, but 8:30 is gonna push up. But late day, we can grab these positions only if you tap 23.92. If you don't tap 23.92, I can't take sells until like a range 2 breakout, or maybe at 10 a.m. we might have some better structure for sells, and we take sells after that. But like, we don't gotta worry about sells just yet, because if news comes down here, chat, off the bat, I mean, what am I gonna do? Look for a sell just because? No, like, I need to see a top wick to confirm that sell. Otherwise, at any given point, the daily candle could flip bullish, right? So that's why I don't have any plans for sells at 8:30. Maybe after 9, but before 8:30, no. Which does not mean that prices isn't gonna go down, right? Like, if you have sell positions, like, take your sell positions, bro. Don't worry about what I'm taking, right? I'm just telling you, this is like why I'm not taking this. This is why I'm taking this, right? So it's all up to you to take your positions. But yeah, let's see if I do today. All right, it should be a pretty good day. Pretty good day, man. You want to play with dropping? I think summer. This summer. So you have like this month and next month. This summer. What am I gonna do again? That's it. Nah, I don't gotta do anything. Long or short, bro? You gotta be fucking shitting me, bro. Ain't no way you're asking me that question. I just spent 20 minutes giving you an analysis. And you're gonna ask me buy or sell, bro? I just told you what it was. I drew it out. I just spent 20 minutes on the analysis. You thought I was just talking for fun? Actually disappointed, yo. What if we break the current lows and do a retest? I really want to see like a top wick. If it's not 23.92, like at least 23.86 before I look for sells down. Like if price comes out for news and just drives down 100 pips, I mean it is what it is. I can't touch that, bro. That's untouchable. I'm not gonna be looking for those positions, but if you're coming for a top wick, I'll think about it. Because then I just need some type of liquidity to indicate that we're driving down, right? Otherwise, any given point as you come down, it could just flip bullish. And I'd rather have the buy stops after the flip than just taking sells off bat. I mean, what did I know, man? I only catch 10 pips, right? What do I know? We got a negative RR. What did I know? 2 minutes, chat. 2 minutes for news, man. No, there's no delay, chat. The clock is off. Please. There's like a 4-second delay, not a 20-second delay. I tried to fix it yesterday. It didn't work. It's a link. It's linked to a website that has like those clocks. I don't know why it's like that. CPI hype is real. Let's see, chat. Good luck. If you guys are gonna open up the casinos today, good luck, bro. Hope you guys got some bonus pairs or something. If you are trading news on a real note, just be aware of slippage and all of that, okay? Just be aware, because as a retail trader, those are things that we gotta deal with. Actually, you know what? We're all gamblers at the end of the day, to be honest. We're just gambling a probability. We're going by the book. But the book in our case is 80%. You know how like you follow the casino blackjack book? It's like what? 49%, right? Is or 49.5, something like that, or 50.1. I don't know. But we just have a playbook that's like 80. Second chat. Good luck, everybody. You my casino course coming soon, bro. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Can we chat? Be aware of the buys, potential buy stops after a bottom wick, maybe. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, pop up first then. Hey. I'm not mad about that at all. Not mad about that at all, man. You know, sometimes like even when you don't get the position, you're like, wow, bro, I really did that fucking analysis, bro. I just A+ that analysis, bro. I can care less about catching 10 pips, bro. That analysis is just flawless. But for those who are looking for sells, the minimum requirement has been tapped for that. 23.92 tapped. I just gonna get the buys. I had ideas for like buy stops once you push up, pull back, and re-break the highs like we usually do, but that didn't happen, right? So I can't grab that. That wasn't part of my play today. But the idea is there though for the buys. But all right, cool, chat. Let's see what happens now. It could again, it could be interesting. I really thought that like you'll continue pushing until 10 today. But if you're spiking off the bat here, I mean, where could you go next now is a question. The weekly flips, right? The weekly started to flip here. So if you look at the weekly, you started to flip looking left, like I think the next area that you had that might be a problem. What did I say, chat? It wasn't 2392. I think I said something else. 20. What did I say again? Was it 2406? I think it was 2406. That's what I said earlier, right? 2406. That was like the next minor resistance you would have once the weekly flips, because it wouldn't just flip and then reflip. It's gonna reflip, continue up for a little bit, and then it reflip. So you have range to like 2406. But how much is this stop here, chat? 180? It's not bad. Rebreak of the highs gives you what? I don't think I'm gonna take this, chat. I'm not gonna take this in this box here. I'm gonna wait to see if you can break 2402. I'm not gonna take the rebreak of 2497 though. If you break 2402 and then you see what prices did right now, where it came up, pulled back, rebroke the highs. If that exact thing happens at like 2402 above there, I'll look for buys above 2402 up towards 2407, because that's a completely clean traffic. But this right here, any given point could just react off of, right? So I'm worried about that. But it'll be the exact same buy stops and the rebreak of the highs after 2402 once you clear that zone there. So like above here. All right, chat. All right. Lock it in, bro. Damn, man. That is one nice candle, bro. $10 a.m. is gonna be big today, chat. Be huge. Or 9:30, I'll say 9:30, 10. Yeah, this is all to be cleaned up till 2407. Okay, so like I want to see a like tap 2402 minimum, and then I want to see a pullback. So like I want to see it do something like this, where it comes up, boom, 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 pulls back, right? It leaves a wick, and the buy stop wherever the high is of that to push up towards 2407, and that should be a pretty strong like rip. But you got to come up first and reject first there. Did my connection rip? Hold on. What's wrong with it? You still need to push up. Did anything happen? Okay, no, nothing happened. Cool. First 5 minutes is passed. Or first, about to be the first 5 minutes is about to pass here on the news in the candle. We got a lot of time. I'll say like the idea that I have for the buys of 2402 is going to be valid until like maybe 8:35 or 8:45. After 8:45, I might as well wait for the 4 closure. But I think you got a lot of potential here. Yeah, it's gonna be a straight rip, chat. From 402 to 407, straight rip. I don't have a buy stop. I'm waiting for a price to come up, tap the highs, pull back, and then the buy stop. I need to see that pullback though. And like it's not a crazy pullback we're looking for. Maybe like just enough to have a decent wick on the candle, right? And then the buy stop above the high. I just love trading, bro. All right, 5 minute candle close, bomb wick form. This candle should be able to tap. This candle should be able to pull up towards 2402 and then pull back. It's a very small bottom wick, right? So it should be able to pull back, and then the rebreak at that high is your buy stop, and then that should be the fly straight through. We're getting closer, chat. All right, cool. Almost, not yet. About to tap. About to tap. That's not it for me yet. I want to see an actual tap to 2402.386. That's not it. I did nothing about that yet. All right, cool. Now you tapped it. Now you wait for the pullback here, right? I'll say like nothing too crazy. Like that should be perfect right there. And then now you have a buy stop. And then this one should rip through towards 2407. So now I have a buy stop right here, chat. 2402.872. You break that high, you have buyers at 2407. All right, cool, chat. So got on buys here. Got into buys here as you rebroke the highs. TP is 2407. Stop loss for me, I was looking to use the original stops here earlier, but it's way too wide here. I think what I'm going to do is probably like use some type of minute structure stop loss here in this situation. Oh, that's way too wide though. How much is the stop overall? 24,240. I think I'm just gonna leave it down here. Assuming that as you come down towards there, you get like bearish kind of closures on the way down or some type of structure, and you can just be able to manually close ahead of time. But that'll be the hard stop I'll have for now. All right, so that's position, chat. Buys right there on the break of that high. TP is 2407. Stops is gonna be like 24. What am I? 24. 2385.91 or 2385.67. Okay. But that's the buys I got into. Where's BE? BE would probably be, I'll say 20. I think a good BE is probably like 20. Right here. 2404.626. Like roughly 20 pips in profit. It should be able to rip through straight to 2407. I'll say once you re-break the high again here, I should be able to rip. We didn't get a slip, right, chat? Barely. Like maybe like a pip or two. Get ready here though. 2404.626. Yeah, that's a break-even point. 2404.626 up here. Right around there. That's like roughly 20% profit. Did you re-break just now? No, right? Can you re-break? Can you re-break? You have a 5 closure above 30 seconds here, chat. You have a 5 wick foot here, which should be able to break in the next 5. Usually when you have news, if it's a whipsaw, the 1 hour kind of would have flipped bearish by now, right? It's holding that structure. So like as it continues to close, it creates lower wicks in the 5. Should be able to pop up and fill the entire range towards like that 2407 mark. Just want a TP there. 2407.404. It's around there. I'll loss around here. Yeah, so I wanted to explain the stop loss again for you guys. This is like the hard stop, I'll say. But like I was saying earlier, how like as you if you were to come down here, you're gonna see candles start to close bearish and such, right? And I would assume that like as you come down, or if you were to come down here, it's gonna look like it's not just gonna come down like this, right? It'll be looking like this. You have like some decent structure, right? So as like you start to like create decent structure, and by a point where you have enough top wicks, you can just look to manually close. And it might be well above the original stop. But we're going to base it off of just the candles that close on the way down. All right, I'm going to do that. You re-break here. 5 minute coming out to fill the wick. Some pips away. You re-break. Re-break. Okay, cool. You re-broke. chat, I actually might close half once it taps 2404.66. Okay, so like, be ready here. All right, chat. So I'm closing 50% of my positions right there, and I'm moving stops to break even. All right, I closed half right there just now. I closed 15 lots out of 30 lots, and now I have stops to break even. Let me just make sure it's on the break even exactly. Right there, entry was 2402.56. Right, you came up to tap pretty much 2404.66, and that was a break even zone. And like that's where I'm looking to close half at. And then now I have runners towards TP. If it runs, it runs. If it rains, it pours. All right, chat. Pretty simple trade. I honestly would expect I was expecting a much stronger drive, to be honest. Like just like a pop. But maybe it's delayed here. Maybe it's a little delayed here. All right. Trailing stops to the 1 minute count low. All right. All right. Closing full there, chat. Congrats. Pretty straightforward day, chat. Like I said, man, you don't gotta worry and stress. You know, when you train with Don here, you don't gotta worry and stress, bro. Now you trade other people, you might gotta worry and stress a little bit. Even when you're drawing, you gotta worry and stress, bro. It's just another day for us. You know what I mean? Chat. It's every day, chat. It's every day, broski. Now we can go play no hezzy, man. Stress-free zone. Nah, to be honest, I'm trolling. Like there's a lot of work that went into this trade, right? Don't get it twisted. It's not no easy, quick, like no. This trade here took a lot of work in the analysis today, right? Like in the morning analysis when we did that, to when we did to the idea of how we can go up first today before second half of day comes down. Like everything that we said today in the morning analysis just played out to the T. Now it's just about what happens now, though. I don't know what's gonna happen now for the second half of the day, because it's not 10 a.m. yet, and I don't think we're gonna even be trading at 10 a.m. to be honest. If we haven't traded this early in the day, but it was a lot of work today in this analysis, bro. It's as easy and simple as it may look. It's not easy and simple. Trading is not easy and simple. It's just there's a lot of practice and work that goes in it. But I think even the stop loss, that like I think you guys were learn a bit off that too, because that's like one of the few times where I have a stop in the middle of a candle. But I mentioned how I was gonna manage risk if it were to go against us. The TP 2407, just because like looking left out, that's your clean traffic. And I know some of you guys might have not like waited for my buy stop. Some of you guys might have had a buy stop post news like we usually do it. So usually after news we'll have a buy stop in the rebreak of the highs, but today we didn't, just because I saw this. I saw this right here, and I was worried that like the same thing can happen here, right? But then what I also saw was this right here. Sorry, I also saw this right here. I don't know if you guys see this, but like this is very similar structure here, right? This to there, pull back, cool, pull back towards there, cool, right? You see that pull back, you see that pull back, and then pop up towards where? 2440. So like that's where pop up towards 2440. So like that's what I also saw too, and that's why like I wanted to wait for that 2402 to break, because like you have you had clean traffic above there, above this wick right here. It was off of this, right? That was the highest peak of rejection, because like you had rejections here. Okay, price rejections, they're cool. Rejections here, cool. Above here though, you don't, because above here the next rejection is where? 2430, 2420. So you have like clean traffic, which is like your advantage point up anyways, right? So you have a push up towards a minimum. So like that's kind of what we did today, chat. Just post news trade, and the streak continues, bro. So if you guys enjoy the trade, bro, leave a like and sub to the channel, chat. Like just leave a like and sub, bro. It really helps right now because I am shadow banned on YouTube. So, but they're not stopping us. They're not stopping us, chat. We're still showing up every day. GJ, what about GJ? Oh my God, bro, what the fuck? That's only 208 pips, chat. That's nothing, bro. Go drove like 270 pips, chat. That's not impressive. I mean, it looks crazy from here, right? But like, if you look at the goal, it's the same pip count. Hey, I would not be surprised if the 4 count flips bullish, chat. Be aware, this might just be liquidity going up. Who knows? Daily candle is still bullish, right? Could just be a bond wick. Daily candle came down towards that zone there. Hey, Cam, I know you have a buy stop here. Congrats, Cam. Your spell is wrong. It's gold, not gold. Oh, really, bro? I must have forgotten. Yeah, no, I don't know what I was on yesterday when I spelled that, but gold. Well, chat, what did we grab here just now? My bad. I didn't even take a look. We did 20, 15. I'm counting splits too. I'm not gonna count the split, right? So it's combined. It's roughly, I think 18 pips, right? 18 pips. I don't count the split anymore. I used to do that, but it's nah. We don't do that no more, bro. We don't. 29 pips total, but like the overall position itself, right? We close half, so like it's I think 17 pips, right? 17 pips for sure, or 18 pips, right? Because three extra $100 would be 6,000, so like 18 is fair. 18.5 by 18 is fair. 70. What do you mean you got 70 pips? 70 pips, bro. You caught 208, bro. Damn, stop flexing. Yo, Kazaf, thanks for the donation, bro. $78. Bro, we hit TP. That breaks our rules. What do you mean that breaks our rules? Oh, once in a while we hit TP. Actually, no, I closed before TP, right? Yeah, I closed right before TP, bro. W trade, chat. Did wait. Did we well, we hit TV afterwards. Did it work in the PAM? Yes, sir, it did. Yes, sir, it did. Yo, every day, chat, the PAM, I have to increase the lot size because, like, I'm going by risk, right? So, like, every day as we get, like, deposits and such, I gotta keep increasing it. The risk. W skis. The MAM, my bad. The MAM. Yeah, the MAM. Chat, what did you guys do here? No one compares to you, lad? No one compares to you, Josh. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, man. Yo, wait. You better get on no hezzy, bro. You got a lot of work to do. Do you think price will go down as there's no bottom wick? I think there's potential still, but I don't think you're anything close to that, or there's anything close to deciding that until like you start to like reject and actually start to show structure being broken, right? Like I'll say like if you actually come down back below 2387 today, then yeah, there's a high chance the account could reject today. But you gotta like start to close below 2387 like around 10, right? Before 10. How do we get information on the MAM? Oh yeah, so like we have it on the website now because it was too confusing before. But now it's all here. It's on the website. You just gotta go on the Control FX website and kind of just read through the steps and you should be in. All here though. Chat, after a drawdown day yesterday is a well-deserved day, chat. Congrats, bro. Like after yesterday, well-deserved day today, you know? And that's what trading is sometimes. Like there's days where you have drawdown, there's days where you don't, right? But you know, that's just what trading is, man. You can't control what type of day you're gonna have. You can only control your emotions and discipline and your analysis and what you're gonna take, right? But like don't get mad at yourself whenever you have a drawdown day. Like if anything, be proud of it. Be proud that you were disciplined through it yesterday and then you got rewarded today, and that's a W. For those that, you know, got emotional yesterday, fucked up yesterday, imagine what they are doing today, chat. Imagine the ones who didn't do anything crazy yesterday, didn't like break their plan, break the rules, are here today. They advance onto the next level. The ones who broke their rules yesterday, you know, emotions got the best of them yesterday. They kind of went backwards, right? So never worth it, bro. Ask yourself, bro, when are you gonna break that cycle? You gotta break a cycle eventually, chat. You have to, man. What happened to Raja? He won, no? I would assume that if Raja has buy stops and sell stops, buy stop would have been good, no? Like you came up like 200 pips there. There's no way that's not a W. Oh, where you lost 15K? Oh. Tough, man. You sell before? Oh. Why, bro? Hey, bro, I don't know, man. Maybe that's his analysis, bro. I don't know, man. But try something new, chat. Usually he has buy stop, sell stops. He did something new today. Look at his stream last part. Let's see. Hey, bro, maybe he just, you know, gotta give him the benefit of the doubt, chat. You know, maybe he just did something different today. He hopped off already too. Damn, bro. Couldn't like help the chat with psychology before you dip off. See, I got you. Roger Banks chat, I got you, bro. It's okay, man. What do you get into? Stops on 35 pip stops. Not bad, bro. It's not bad. What was that you heard though? You need a top wick before you come down though, bro. That's one thing that I did not learn market fluidity that I had to learn myself, is that sometimes taking these breakouts and onion plays are cool, but like you gotta like apply the liquidity first, right? What do you get into those sells? Just wait. Did CPI spike down first? Oh, he got slipped. That's what it was. Yeah, technically his trade played out though, no? Oh no, this is GG. I'm tripping. Where the fuck is gold? Right there. Huh? Oh, fuck. Wait. Oh, yeah. I guess it was too quick, right? Technically his trade played out though. Technically it played out. That's fair play, bro. It played out first. It just didn't show on the MT5 or the C trader. I don't know. Blueberry or never, right? Blueberry or never. Wait, there's no fucking volume. Let me. I couldn't hear anything. Let me play the clip again. My bad. I don't hear shit.
Gambling news. News is complete gambling.
Oh, here we go. I hear it now.
The sentiment isn't over here now.
Wait, try, who's that? That's his assistant?
See, the thing is,
He looks nervous, bro.
click position schedule.
His assistant looks nervous as fuck for him too.
I don't know where that is. Okay, here we go.
Bro, I was like, please, bro. He's looking away.
All right. All right, boys and girls, here we go. You will get stop loss with spread. I know. That's why I removed it.
Damn, bro.
We're moving up. This means we should push down. Let's take a look at, oh, wow. Look at that pound yen. Oh, we're in profits now.
Wait, why didn't you look at gold?
Oh, no. This went up.
Why is he looking at GJ?
This went up. Oh, down. Up. Oh, wow. Look at that. You guys were correct. Interesting. This was good. So on the weekly, this made sense to go up. That guy was right. Who was that guy over there? Some guy, someone in YouTube chat mentioned it. They're like, oh, it's going to go up towards 23.91. Yeah, you won today. You won today. Beautiful. Yeah, very nice.
Hey, bro, fair play, bro. Fair play. Technically, his trade played out, bro. Just,
wow.
It just didn't show on the MT5, bro, or on the C trade, but technically it went down. I don't know what his TP was, but technically it played out, bro. Technically it played out, bro. That's a W. I mean, yeah. All good, man. All good, man. All good, bro. W, bro. W day, chat. Every day, bro. Holy fuck. I just I just banged the table with my fucking knee and it changed the chart to GG. I'm like, is that gold? Not bad, bro. You lost 15K. Yes, that's not bad, bro. Like we were in like 15K plus drawdown yesterday. You know what I mean? I mean, if we were to switch roles though. If we were to switch roles though, bro, this guy will be this. I'll probably have a video of myself up on Instagram right now on his page. Don Vu, look at this clown, Don Vu. You think you'll be streaming the next 2 years? For sure. For sure, bro. For sure. I will be here. For sure, bro. Connor for laughing at Roger? Bro, I wasn't laughing. I even said his TV played out, bro. What are you talking about? I give him the benefit of the doubt, bro. I would never diss my mentor, bro. I would never, bro. I learned everything from Roger Banks. Without Roger, I wouldn't have caught 15 pips today. Make an opinion poll where we could put our form resistance at. What do you mean? SNR. You mean the next resistance? Yo, the next resistance is it's looking like, I mean, 2408, 2407 was my target, but I don't know where it's gonna go now. I would assume that if it continues to push up, then you're looking at probably like 2415 or 8038, something like that. But I think we're done here, chat. I don't think we're gonna be like here anymore. I think we're done, bro. Let me show you guys my no hedges score though. Let me show you guys my no hedges score real quick. I'm not hopping off yet, chat. I'll be here for maybe another like 15, 20, 30 minutes maybe, but I don't think I'm gonna be entering trades no more though. Let me show you guys my score. Guess what it is? No, I'm not playing right now. I just want to show you guys the score. I don't have my wheel on. I'm too lazy to set the wheel up. I'll show you guys what I got though. Don's 100% on news trades. Oh yeah, I would actually count that trade as a news trade. The rebreak of the highs and lows. Yep. What was it? 5 for 5 right now, or 4 for 4? $199, bro. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, what percent do you guys make today? Chat, keep in mind I beat his score of 2 mil. I was going mad slow though, bro. 0.41, 0%. Huh? 98. 0.5, 30%, 305. You cooked up today, bro. Congrats, man. $12, 3%, 10%. 1.5, 11. When can we start selling? Nowhere yet, bro. Not yet. Not yet. When price shows that's coming down, that's when you can start selling. Anyway, shall I look at my score? Oh, you guys can't see it. Look at my score, chat. Look at my score, top left. $24 mil. Yeah. Went crazy yesterday. We went kind of crazy yesterday. So shout out to Richie. And shout out to what's his username again? Wait, what's his name again? Oh, Neck. I'm gonna call him Neck, bro. I think that's what we call him, right? Wait, Neck. Oh man. how long it take? 30 minutes. Just 1 30-minute candle. But it was tiring though. I'm calling him neck, bro. I'm calling you neck, bro. Damn. Why is my chat frozen? Up and no hesitate? Nah. I'm hop off. I don't think I'm gonna play games today. Or maybe later. Maybe. I got a headrest today though. This headrest here, for some reason the chair doesn't come with a headrest because it's built so that you don't need a headrest. But when I'm playing no hezi, I need a headrest. So then I got one and it was like $200 for a headrest, chat. That's fucking expensive. $240 for a headrest? That's actually crazy. 200? Yeah, bro, it's fucking nuts for a headrest, bro. It's a whole chair. Oh, Herman Miller. What chair do you have? Might as well bad. Trying to cop a comfortable one. Have the Herman Miller. The Herman Miller Embody. Pretty good chair. Comfy chair. Damn, bro. W day today, chat. Like we did what? How many trades? 1, 2. I took 4 stacks this morning. And then I took 1 on stream today. So 5 positions roughly. And we did. Wow. July has low-key been starting off hot, man. It started off really slow, I think, but then I think it picked up this week. Yeah, since June we've been crushing it, man. Since June. Let's see, since June we are doing. Since June we are doing. Oh yeah, that's nuts. What percent is that? 172. I don't even know. That's a decent chunk though. That's at least I think 20% or 15%. Wait, no, yeah, 20% for sure. For margin sells, you right now, you have a 4-hour close here. Just be aware of this 4-hour count, chat. It might be a new 4-hour bottom wick. It actually might be a 4-hour bottom wick. So I would say once you close below like 23.92, it's like safe to say that like we could have the start of the directional change in the day, right? Below these ranges here. Until then though, at any given point, this can just flip bullish and drive up still on the 4. So just be aware of that. Just look at the daily today though. Like for those that are wondering like why, like I believe it's gonna be a directional change for a day is because of the daily. You didn't close above this range. You've been closing respecting, right? Respecting. So like this candle here, any given point could just flip bearish for the daily. It sounds crazy and looks crazy right now, but just looking at price action, at the end of the day, this candle here did the exact same thing. Right? This one right here did the exact same thing. This one was bearish here. This huge wick one, right? It was bullish at some point and it flipped bearish. That was, I think, on the 15th of April. So I would not be surprised if the same thing happens today. And I think the weekly also plays a huge role in that with no top wick. So that could impact the way things look. The monthly still got no bottom wick yet. But I'll wait until you close below for taking sales. Educational video on YouTube, please. I think once I make the playbook, man, it'll be a lot easier to teach because like I want to make the playbook, I can actually like teach around the playbook. It'll be easier to follow along. Our strategy is just way too complex right now just to teach off the bat. Way too complex. There's so many layers, man. What's Gigi doing? Oh no, did not flip bullish. Okay. 4-hour candle close bearish. The weekly candle flip bearish. Wait. Am I tripping? Did we did break this down yesterday, right, chat? Was it yesterday or Tuesday? I think we broke down GJ and we targeted 207.916. Right? It came up and tapped on the dot. Yeah, 207.916. I think that was like 2 days ago. I think Cam was asking about that or something. Will the playbook come out on YouTube? It's gonna come out on a free PDF. Won't be on YouTube. Well, there'll be a video on the playbook probably, but it's gonna come out as a PDF like the last playbook. $1,000 course? Nah. So, I mean, there will be a course that costs $1,000 probably, but it won't just be the playbook. I was watching your stream on the 15th of April. Did we win that day? We lost that day. April was a fucking rough month, bro. April was probably one of the roughest months I've had this year. Charge $1 towards the mental stress, or if you're generous, the wait fund. I got you. The way all the proceeds goes to wait fund. Doesn't the gap have to be filled? No, the gap never has to be filled, because the gap is just, if you were to draw an imaginary candle there, it's just a clean traffic candle. Like sometimes it may not fill because there might be a support before it gets filled. So that's what stops it from getting filled, and then it just rejects, right? So like I wouldn't like rely on gaps getting filled every single time, but I would use it to my advantage. Like if there's a gap, I draw a candle, look at it as clean traffic. So then I just draw, like, let's say like there's a gap right here, chat. Let's say there's a gap. Let's say there's a gap right here. Okay, pretend that black box is a gap. So from here to here, there's a gap, right? All that really is, if you really remove it, is just like candles there, right? But like, let's say there's a gap there, but then all of a sudden there's a minor support here as well, right? So like, how are you gonna fill a gap when there's a support there? You can't. You're likely gonna reject it. So therefore, like, what you could do is wait for price to actually reject, right? Create that support, cool. And then once price actually closes below that support, then looking left, you have clean traffic coming down now, and then that's when you can trade the sells down for the gap. But like, not every gap must be filled. That's what I used to think as well. But like, if you really look into what a gap is in terms of price action, it's just clean traffic candles. That's all that really is. You want to manage my MT5, bro? You want to manage my MT5? Sure, man, for sure. I have a problem with the daily bias. Any way to help finding it? The daily bias, I think it's best if you don't have a daily bias, but you adapt to the current market conditions of that time, that day. So like, our daily bias today is bearish, and so many traders do this where they have one daily bias for a day, and that's the entire bias that day. They did not listen to anybody else. They're not going to be looking at anything else aside from that one bias, and that's what fucks you up sometimes. So like, the way I do it, for instance, today I'm bearish today, my bias is bearish today, but like, looking at price action, it shows that there's range going up on a small time from before price comes down with the day bias, right? So then therefore my bias that day technically is bullish bearish, right? It's bullish first, second half bearish. That'll be my idea for a day. So I never really have just one solid bias. It's just kind of like an over idea, but to get there, there's smaller time frame biases that must happen first. So as scalpers as we are, right, we're looking for trades to scalp up towards that next part of the cycle. So let's say it was a bias, right? The bias up first is what the idea was. But I never have just one bias, man. I got wrecked today due to day closings. Too confident and bearish. That's fine. I mean, who knows? Maybe the day can still flip. You might still be right about that, to be honest. There's still a chance. Can I join a MAM if I'm in Australia? No Australian clients. Blueberry's not accepting Australian clients for the PAM. What happened to yen though? Why is it relevant to CPI? It's the safe haven. Yen's a safe haven pair, right? So it usually moves the opposite of the gold. Wait, chat. You know what's fucking crazy, bro? I didn't even check the numbers here, man. How did numbers come out today for CPI, bro? I'm so bad at this. Okay, oh shit, there was unemployment claims too today. I didn't know. CPI, negative, and then positive numbers for unemployment claims, but 3v1 that took over. Numbers came out negative then, right? Yeah, man. I actually don't look at numbers. I just look at price action because like price action shows me how numbers will come out. Like we knew for a fact, like if gold's pushing up that heavy, right? Numbers had to come up negative. Rookie mistake, bro. For real, rookie mistake, bro. I roll for the MAM on Tuesday. You should be in. If you're not in, is your deposit minimum 5,000? Because there's a lot of people who deposit like less than that, and I can't accept them. If you did all of that already, then just contact Blueberry or something. Blueberry should be able to help you with that. Like I'm looking to join Don's man, but I have an issue. Isn't gold a safe haven pair? Yeah, gold is a safe haven pair, but it's USD JPY, right? Versus XAU USD. So that's why they move opposite. Usually they move opposite. Are you looking for a thumbnail designer? No, I have one. I'm just I'm on like I hit a wall in terms of ideas for thumbnails. So that's why I haven't done anything for thumbnails. I think I have like 25 thumbnails left for my thumbnail from what I paid them. I haven't used them yet. Delay? Yeah. How do you know? How do you know that? Are you delay? Can you drive? Can you trade the drive range liquidity? Yes. This is considered a drive right now. He's your friend? Oh shit. What's your portfolio then? Are you currently in the US or Canada? I'm currently in the US right now. Yo, you guys see the team Canada and USA? Yesterday? M10 Productions. What's up, bro? Thought Canada had a chance. Yeah, to be honest, it was a pretty close game. Pretty close game, bro. Canada playing Uruguay in bronze. Wait, they have a bronze medal match? There's no bronze medal match. But there's no bronze medal match. Wait, there is? I don't see anything about it. Oh yeah, there is. Saturday and Sunday to final. Let's go Canada, bro. Third place. In Charlotte, North Carolina. Wait until we get chemistry. We'll win by 30 next time. Yo, what do you mean chemistry? Y'all had Curry and LeBron. Lakers in the making. All right, yo. Chat. I think I'm done here, man. I think I'm done here, chat. I think we're gonna move on to tomorrow, man. Tomorrow's Friday, right? Friday? Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. And then that's it. That's the week. I actually did not think we're gonna move this much this morning. I'm not gonna. I even tweeted. I'm like, it's gonna be a shit New York session. So I wasn't gonna show up for New York session today. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna like maybe just trade at like 10. And I was completely wrong about that. But thank God I showed up today. No NFP? Nah, but it's PPI tomorrow, so it's still some decent volume. Alright, yo, chat. Peace out, bro. I love you guys, man. Enjoy the rest of your day, chat. Leave a like and sub to the channel if you guys are new to the streams. I know damn well you guys learned something on today's stream, man. Doesn't matter if you didn't make money with me or made money with me. It was a W stream regardless of what you came here for today. So if you guys just leave a like, man, I appreciate it. Sub. Let's get over the shadow ban, man, together. And I will see y'all tomorrow, man. Peace out, man. Peace out, chat. Love you guys, bro.